Welcome to our channel. Today we have an exciting product review that could change the way you experience relaxation and relief during your long hours of sitting. We came across this fantastic back massager, and we've added a link in the description below for you to check out the latest price and availability. Introducing the back massager for pain relief deep tissue, designed specifically to provide shiatsu relief with heat for your lower to mid back. Unlike traditional massage pads that only target fixed spots, this massager features 4 shiatsu rollers that move up and down a vertical track. This upgrade allows for broader coverage along your back, ensuring you can enjoy a more comprehensive and effective massage experience. One of the standout features of this back massager is its ability to deliver targeted relief exactly where you need it. With the included remote control, you can pause the rollers at any specific point for focused spot massage. This means you can finally say goodbye to the hassle of constantly repositioning yourself to get the relief you need. Whether you're feeling tension in your lumbar area or just below your shoulder blades, this massager is designed to alleviate those pesky tight spots that often develop after a long day of sitting. Speaking of who this product is suitable for, it's perfect for anyone who spends long hours seated. Think office workers, daily commuters, long-distance drivers, and even business travelers. If you find yourself often feeling stiff or sore after a day at your desk or during a long road trip, this rolling back massager could be just what you need. It's an excellent companion for those moments when you want to unwind after work or take a quick break while working from home. Now, let's talk about how to use this product effectively. The back massager is best suited for individuals between 5 feet 0 inches and 5 feet 10 inches and weighing between 120 to 230 pounds. Taller users might find stronger coverage for their lower back, while the mid-back reach may vary. For those under 120 pounds or sensitive to firm pressure, it's advisable to start with lower speeds and shorter sessions. The built-in 15-minute auto shut-off feature is a fantastic addition, ensuring that you won't overdo it during your massage sessions. Another significant benefit of this massager is its targeted heat functionality. Sitting for extended periods can put extra pressure on your lower back, and this device is designed to help alleviate that discomfort. The massage nodes provide gentle warmth at around 95 degrees Fahrenheit, while the lumbar heat area has 2 heat settings at 118 degrees Fahrenheit and 127 degrees Fahrenheit. This dual heat option helps to relax your lower back, making it an ideal choice for those who experience discomfort while sitting. Setting up the back massager is a breeze. It's designed to work best with stable, upright chair backs, such as those found in office chairs, dining chairs, or gaming chairs. The adjustable strap helps to keep the massager securely in place, and the long 6-foot AC power adapter ensures that you can comfortably recline without worrying about proximity to an outlet. In summary, if you're looking for a way to enhance your comfort during long hours of sitting and relieve that stubborn lower to mid-back tension, this back massager for pain relief deep tissue is worth considering. With its unique rolling massage feature, targeted heat options, and ease of setup,